हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हेड टू टो असेसमेंट के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन, विच वाइटल साइन इज असेस्ड फर्स्ट इन ए हेड टू टो असेसमेंट? Correct answer is C. Respiratory rate. It is the least noticeable and should be observed before the patient is aware. Next question. Which scale is used to assess a patient's level of consciousness? Correct answer is B. Glasgow Coma Scale (GCS). GCS measures eye-opening, verbal response and motor response. Next question. Which cranial nerve controls pupil construction? Correct answer is B. C and third. Oculomotor. The oculomotor nerve controls the pupil's response to light. Next question. Which technique is used to examine lymph nodes? Correct answer is B. Palpation. Lymph nodes are assessed by gentle circular motion palpation. Next question. Which lung sound is associated with fluid accumulation? Correct answer is B. Crackles. Crackles indicate fluid in alveoli, common in pneumonia and CHF. Next question. What is the normal respiratory rate for an adult? Correct answer is B. 12 to 20 bpm. Normal adult respiratory rate ranges from 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Next question. Which artery is best for checking an unconscious patient's pulse? Correct answer is C. Carotid. The carotid artery is closest to the heart and is used in emergencies. Next question. What is the normal range of blood pressure for an adult? Correct answer is C. 120-80 mmHg. Normal BP is around 120-80 mmHg. High BP starts from 140-90 mmHg. Next question. Which assessment technique is performed first in an abdominal exam? Correct answer is D. Inspection. Always inspect first to avoid altering bowel sounds. Next question. Which sound indicates normal bowel function? Correct answer is D. Normoactive. Normoactive bowel sounds are heard every 5 to 15 seconds. Next question. Which test assesses coordination and balance? Correct answer is B. Romberg test. Romberg's test helps assess balance with eyes closed. Next question. Which reflex is tested by stroking the sole of the foot? Correct answer is B. Babinski. A positive Babinski reflex in adults indicates neurological damage. Next question. Which term describes joint movement away from the midline? Correct answer is C. Abduction. Abduction moves a limb away from the body's center. Next question. Which sign indicates dehydration? Correct answer is B. Skin turgor. Poor skin turgor tenting indicates dehydration. Next question. Which pressure ulcer stage involves full thickness skin loss? Correct answer is C. Stage third. Stage third involves damage to fat tissue but not muscle or bone. Next question. Which test checks for fluid overload in heart failure? Correct answer is B. Pitting edema test. Pitting edema occurs when pressing on swollen skin, leaves and indentation. Next question. Which cranial nerve is tested with the Slinan chart? Correct answer is A. CN second. CN second optic nerve is tested using the Slinan chart for vision. Next question. Which test is used to assess peripheral vision? Correct answer is B. Confrontation test. The confrontation test evaluates visual fields and peripheral vision. Next question. What does PERRLA stand for in eye assessment? Correct answer is A. Pupils equal round, rect to light and accommodation. PERRLA is used to assess pupil function and cranial nerve third. Next question. Which test assesses color blindness? Correct answer is C. Ishihara test. Ishihara test checks for color vision deficiency, color blindness. Next question. Which cranial nerve controls hearing? Correct answer is C. CN8 vestibulocochlear. CN8 controls hearing and balance. Next question. Which tuning fork test differentiate between conductive and sensorineural hearing loss? Correct answer is A. Rini test. The Rini test compares air conduction AC with bone conduction BC. Next question. Which test is performed by whispering words behind the patient? Correct answer is C. Whisper test. The whisper test checks hearing ability by asking the patient to repeat whispered words. Next question. Which lung sound indicates airway narrowing? Correct answer is B. Wheezes. Wheezes occur due to bronchoconstriction seen in asthma and COPD. Next question. What is the normal oxygen saturation SpO2 level in a healthy adult? Correct answer is C. 95 to 100%. Normal SpO2 is 95 to 100% while 90% is hypoxia. Next question. Which pulse site is used for blood pressure measurement? Correct answer is C. Brachial. The brachial artery is used for BP measurement. Next question. What is the normal capillary refill time? Correct answer is B. Less than 2 seconds. Capillary refill 2 seconds indicates poor circulation, shock, dehydration. Next question. Which abdominal quadrant contains the liver? Correct answer is C. RUQ. The liver is located in the right upper quadrant. Next question. Which sound is expected during normal bowel auscultation? Correct answer is C. Gurgling. Normal bowel sounds are gurgling and irregular. Next question. Which sign indicates appendicitis? Correct answer is C. MC Bourne's point tenderness. MC Bourne's point pain is a key sign of appendicitis. Next question. Which scale is used for stroke assessment? Correct answer is B. NIH stroke scale. The NIH stroke scale evaluates stroke severity. Next question. Which condition causes yellow skin discoloration? Correct answer is B. Jaundice. Jaundice is caused by bilirubin buildup due to liver disease. Next question. What is the main cause of clubbing of the fingers? Correct answer is C. Lung disease. Clubbing is seen in chronic hypoxia, COPD, lungs disease.